Okay, everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Mika. Today we are cooking some eggs. Now, I have you in my hand. Just hold on a second. Let's get some few things from the kitchen. Now, what you're going to need for this project is a stirring spoon. It's actually kind of dirty. This would work just fine. This can work just fine. Now you want to crack all the little yolks. Then you can stir it. Keep on stirring until it is like a liquid. And also, when you're done stirring it, like I am right now, let it sit here and just get it all that inside. Now put it to the side. Now we're going to go over here. Put one more egg in. Now I'm going to have to put you guys down for this. Ready? Set? Okay, so we put in our egg, and now it's time to stir it again. Now you will need, for this project, vegetable oil. Okay, now that we got our vegetable oil, now we want to stir the eggs even more. Hold on. Now we're going to stir the eggs even more. And you're going to start to realize that it's getting hard at the bottom. That means there's a sign the eggs are finally getting ready. See, I'm not cooking for me. I'm cooking for my doggie. Her name is Kayla. Very nice little doggie. She's actually a boxer. Her name is Kayla. She's 3 years old. Soon to be 4, coming this year. Actually, guys, on September 17th, my birthday is her birthday. I was born on the same day. And that's when I got her, was her birthday. It's kind of a win-win for both of us. Remember, sorry guys, September 17th is when her birthday is. So now you're going to just start stirring them. Really just stir them. Keep on stirring them. Make sure that they're really good. And you don't want all this excess stuff around it, or else it will seem to get a little bit foggy in the house. Right now it's not. Oh, now that's good. See, now we're getting big clumps. See, now my dog likes it a little bit soggy, like this, but a little bit hard too. So I'm going to have to keep on doing this. But I'll get you guys back when it's done. Okay, everybody, the eggs are done. Now we're just going to simply take them and start to put them in very carefully. Put them in her bowl. Now my puppy has some nice, beautiful eggs. And once you're done with this, you're really going to have to clean off this pot and make sure that it's all good. And it's nice and not all yucky and gross. These eggs turned out really good. Now you're going to turn off the stove. Now you're going to get all that stuff off of them and just keep on cooking. Yeah, these turned out really good. And since I was stirring them a lot, they did not really stick to the bottom. That's a hack, actually. You want to stir your eggs a lot so they don't stick to the bottom and get really yucky. And she also likes this little crust on the sides. Sometimes I'll put that on the top for her. She really is a smart puppy. Guys, thank you for cooking with Mika. And again, peace out. Okay, guys, thank you for cooking with Mika. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Bye!